Hi everybody, and welcome back. Today, we're gonna learn how to draw Sonic the Hedgehog. So grab a paper and something to draw with, and let's get started. Okay, first, we're gonna draw his face shape. It's this big round shape, and then over like this, and stop right here. Now, we're gonna draw an oval, and that's for his nose. We're gonna finish this now by going down and then up, and then close that off up by the nose, just like that. We'll put an eye right here, another eye right here, and then we'll fill those in. Then on this side, that looks great. Now let's come back over here on the nose, and we're gonna draw a rounded line down, back up, and stop right there. Let's give Sonic a little mouth now, like that. Perfect. Let's come over here behind the eye, right where that line is, and we're gonna go up and stop right there. Now we're gonna do another curved line up, around and stop right there. Back in, come out for his hair, back in, out again, then all the way down here to his face. Let's come back in on the top of this shape here and draw a triangle, but we're not gonna close it off, we wanna leave it open. We'll do another one inside. This one we close off, and there's his first ear. We'll do another one right here, coming out and back in. Now let's move down to his arms. We have one coming down and around. We'll stop there. We'll do that line again next to it, down and in, and stop. Then we're gonna draw a round line around that arm. We'll do a couple more rounded lines, one right there, another one going all the way around, stop, and do another one there. We come out for his thumb, and then a curved line on his hand, another curved line there, his finger, and then we curve back up to close off that hand. Great. Now let's come in and draw a circle for his stomach. And then another one right here at the bottom. Perfect. Then we're gonna draw a shape right here on his back. And then we're gonna have another arm coming out to the side right here. Down and up. Perfect. We'll do a curved line and then come back around twice. Again on this side, and then we'll draw his thumb, just like that. Perfect. We'll do a finger up, and then a couple rounded shapes for his other fingers that are closed, like that, and there we have a second hand. Let's come down with a straight line, and then his sock, just a couple of rounded lines. We'll close them off. A rounded line there, one on the back, and then one on the bottom for his shoe. Two more lines inside for his shoe detail. Then we're gonna draw the other leg on this side. We'll come down, do it again right here, down. Do a rounded shape, and then 3 bumpy lines here for his sock. 4 bumpy lines. Close that off. Close off the shoe. And then do those 2 lines. Next, We're gonna finish off his nose and fill that in. And maybe just a few more details around Sonic. And there we have a Sonic character. You did a really good job following along today. I hope you'll come back really soon so we can draw more characters together. Bye! If you haven't yet, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Also, visit YayBubbaDraws.com and sign up for my newsletter. There, you will be able to download free coloring books, hear about awesome art challenges, and win prizes. See you next time. Bye!